I did want to update you. Giant tornado watch box does include the West Metro, so essentially just on the west side of the metro and points westward for the rest of central Minnesota, meaning things are conducive for the potential for tornadoes. And we've certainly seen at least a couple so far. There is a new severe thunderstorm warning. This includes Douglas and Pope counties. This is moving to the north and east right into the city of Alexandria. This one could have golf ball size hail. So if you're in Alexandria, you should head to shelter at the moment. Try to stay away from outside walls and windows. There's another storm just out ahead of it, so heads up Long Prairie. This one may eventually get warned. A lot of these storms that are popping up this afternoon are leading to some warnings, so that one may still occur. That warning for Alexandria goes for another 15 minutes. Wouldn't be shocked if they continue to push that back as it rolls through Alexandria. Then we have a new tornado warning. This giant pink box that is a confirmed tornado to the west of Benson is right along Highway 12, I believe just to the west of Danvers. This tornado warning goes till 8:15 as well, so another 14 minutes. There's already been one quick spin up, and it's likely recycling. There may be another spin up over the next 15 minutes. Benson, you should be in your tornado shelter at the moment. I realize the tornado warning is just off your west, but the tornadic part of this storm is heading in your direction. Otherwise, some big hail possible with severe thunderstorm warnings through 8:30 for Pope, Stevens, and Swift County. Another tornado warning. This one is Doppler radar indicated, so nothing confirmed. This is just to the northeast of Madison. This is the same storm that actually dropped that tornado in extreme eastern South Dakota, courtesy of our Bill Doms a couple of hours ago. Both of these warnings also go through 8:15. Keep in mind, this is all in western Minnesota. There's another one, another tornado warning, Lockheed Parle and Yellow Medicine County for areas, this is the one that Bill Dom's got just to the northwest of Canby. That was at least an hour ago, give or take. But this whole storm just not moving much. In fact, that green box on the left, that is a flash flood warning for parts of South Dakota, indicative that these storms aren't moving real fast and they have a lot of moisture. Now, keep in mind, Metro is here. We got a long ways to go. This is well out in western Minnesota. It's going to take its time, but eventually it will push its way eastward. The atmosphere is primed, warmer air surging north and eastward. Cold front on the backside of it. There's more storms in northwestern Minnesota that may interact with the storms in west central Minnesota, and all that should generally move to the east or southeast over the next several plus hours, so it could be a long night for much of central Minnesota. And I wanted to make sure you could at least read this. These are what could accompany our storms this evening. Very big hail, over golf ball size, gusty winds, isolated tornadoes, and some flash flooding will be possible. So the next few hours, notice the storms start out here and then kind of fan outward. That's the general expectation that will take us past midnight and potentially right through the overnight here in the Twin Cities and much of southern Minnesota, with more possible into Sunday. Quick look at that 7-day forecast. Low 80s the next couple days, far more quiet once we get into your work week. And July 4th, right now, temperatures in those middle 80s with some thunderstorm chances.